What's up, everybody? So it's amazing what is happening right now, man. It already passed, but just a second ago it was raining right here, but it wasn't over there. And right now it's raining over there, but it's not over here. Or it's and then there's trees over there that you can see the drops coming down from. But now I actually think it's just the trees here and actual rain there. But I could be wrong. It could just be all the trees. So it's amazing right there. Like right around, like from that grove right there. And from that grove right there to right where I'm standing right there is where it was raining a few minutes ago. And then from the flood right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it goes along Woodwalk right there. And then it's right there. And there is my daddy's RV. Right there. There's his hot tub. There is the tree house, the zip line, and like right here, like over there in the water. So that was almost fully back into the creek. The creek is like right from I can't explain it. But you could see it flooding a tiny bit right there. Like that's water. That white thing is water. Well, it's actually a brownish, whitish color. Icky color. It's amazing. It was like almost up to the treehouse right there. The flood went that high earlier. A little farther than that. So the stakes of the tree, well, the bottom of the tree right there was, the bottom part of it was underwater. So I tried to take a video when it was higher up on my iPad, but I couldn't because my storage is full. So it's gone down for a while until just now when it started raining. And by the way, that bucket up there, I'm trying to point in front of the camera instead of behind it. Where's my finger? That bucket right there is supposed to be there. It's how we deliver things from the treehouse over there. And yes, earlier in the video I did say zip line. That's because there's a zip line going down from it. You can't see it though. So yeah, it's amazing what floods can do to things like houses and stuff. So see you later, everybody, even though I'm not making another video. And please subscribe down at the link below if you know how to. It's okay if you don't know how to. Just thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.